Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy Ethereum on Robinhood. First, make sure your account is funded. Tap the search icon at the bottom and type Ethereum, then select it from the results. Next, tap Buy, choose your order type. Market order buys Ethereum at the current price. Limit order lets you set a price you want to buy at. Enter the amount in USD or Ethereum. Then tap Review and swipe up to submit your order. Once it's done, your Ethereum will appear in your portfolio and you can track its value anytime. And that's it. That's how to buy Ethereum on Robinhood. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.